So here we are at the Cheneta Santa, which is happening at the Nagarjuna Nagar Community Hall in Ameerpet in Hyderabad. And here we find saris in khadi and cotton coming from Ponduru in Srikakulam district of AP. This is a Jamdani sari, which where you can see that all the design is hand woven totally, completely. And these are all saris from Ponduru. And here you find saris coming from Venkatgiri, both in cotton by silk and also in pure silk. These are saris from Venkatgiri, which is in near Chittoor district. And here these are the saris from West Godavari, East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. Very beautiful cotton saris, especially suitable for elderly people and even otherwise for daily wear. Not very expensive, starts around 900 till about 1200 to 1500. These are the saris that are coming from East Godavari. And this is fabric which can be used to make kurtas, shirts and whatever else that you like. Coming from Chirala in Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh. And then also they have these beautiful dress materials, suits which can be made into dresses. And and this costs something like around 1100 to 1200 per suit material. It's all in pure cotton and totally handwoven. And here we have fabrics and towels and bed sheets coming from Kanigala in Guntur district. And here you find hand woven fabric that can be used even for trousers. It's made in khadi. Malaya, idi khadiya?
Pure khadi.
And this is used. This can be used for making shirts, and this can be used for making trousers. And and then of course towels and some saris again from Guntur. And here we have ikat from Telangana, very close to Hyderabad. You can see beautiful double ikat work, also available in natural dyes, dupattas and stoles and bed sheets. At the back you can see this is saris and some running material fabric that can be used to make either dresses or shirts or kurtas. And then here you have dupattas, and these are double ikat saris with a lot of work that goes into it. And double ikat dupattas anni 2000 ivi they are about costing 2000 for each dupatta. And double ikat coming from Koyalagudam village in Telangana. And here we have saris coming from Gadwal. And these are all in silk. And no cotton lo kuda unnaya levu kada okkati chupu cheera okkati chupu idi chupu it's one of these beautiful saris that's a blouse piece. And here you see, wow, look at the color combinations. That's from Gadwal, and he's a weaver, Ramesh, who comes from Gadwal district in Telangana. And here we have saris that have come from Narayanpet, which is on the border with Karnataka and Maharashtra. And you can see this is a traditional Narayanpet sari in pure cotton. These saris are around 1000 to 1200 and a little more. Ee cheer enta? Identa cheer? Very good. This is 1000 rupees. And here we see again saris that have come from Venkatgiri in pure silk and zari work. They also have some saris which come in cotton and cotton by silk. Here are some printed saris in Venkatgiri that we can see. important by silk. They have done some screen printing on the regular sari. And what you see. And here is kalamkari. Kalamkari, which comes from Pedana in Machilipatnam district, in Machilipatnam in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. And yeah, these are some of the saris. And yeah, you can see some of the work. It's all hand block prints, mostly done on handloom cloth or khadi, or sometimes in normal milk cloth. You also get dress materials like in sets of for kurta, pajama and dupatta, and some ready-mades are also there, like gowns and nighties. And they also have some bed sheets, and running fabric is also available. Yeah, this is all the running fabric that is available from here and here. And again we have some dress materials like shirting fabrics that can be used to make shirts, kurtas, even women's clothing, and along with some dress suits that can be made into a shalwar kameez coming from Shirala in Prakasham district. And they also have some saris again made in Shirala with some ikat designs incorporated. Okay. And here are some cotton saris that have come from Mangalgiri. This is Mangalgiri cotton, and that's Mangalgiri silk. Yeah, with incorporating ikat designs. They also have, these are all the silk saris. They also have the traditional Mangalgiri dress sets in the traditional Mangalgiri design. That's the Mangalgiri border, which you can see here. And they come from Mangalgiri, which is in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. And yeah, and here we have some ready-made shirts and kurtas, both for men and also for women. Yeah, and also some short tops and like kurtas, etc. coming from Tula, which is in Chennai. They are working both with the farmers and weavers and spinners and tailors, getting us organic cotton, natural dyed organic cotton, and also in ready-mades like kurtas and short tops, and even some trousers. I think they have some trousers. Yeah, trousers and tops. All this is natural dyed organic cotton, ready-mades, all handmade, hand-stitched by tailors, weavers, spinners. And yeah, here's a short top. Can you show the kurta, please? And this is Janvi, one of the volunteers for Tula. And yeah, there, that is it. Okay. And here we see pen kalamkari. Pen kalamkari made by Muni Lakshmi. She's an artist who has done all this by hand. Of course, the coloring and everything, there's a whole lot of other people who are involved in making of this kalamkari. This is called pen kalamkari. And yeah, and a lot of times you see that there is a lot of traditional designs, like a lot of gods' pictures and the Ramayana and Mahabharata scenes from there, which are seen here. And yeah, and then there are these nice wall hangings that they make. Yeah, this is a wall hanging, which, yes, these are wall mountable pieces. So yeah, ala chupichese, you show like that. You can see all that, the gods and goddesses. These are all individual pieces that can be made in, framed and put up on the walls. All this is done by Muni Lakshmi and her team. So this is Muni Lakshmi coming from Kalahasti in near Tirupati. And this is Chanderi, which is coming from Madhya Pradesh. And this Guys, Jameel is coming from Indore, close to Indore. Is it near Indore? चंदेरी इंदौर के पास में है. ये कलर इसका ठीक नहीं आ रहा है. It's coming like black. Actually, it's a nice blue that's showing a little black. And कुछ अच्छा वाला दिखाओ. And he has brought some sarees from Chanderi. Yeah, and so this is a Chanderi sari. The tissue है ना? Katan silk. Okay. Yeah. Right. It's all very good. And of course we are back to Panduru.